Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning the digraph ch. Let's see what Penny can find. Oh Penny, what have you got there? Oh, you got some chips. Let's see. Oh, you've got some chips. Chips. Oh Penny, what are you playing now? Oh, oh Penny! Oh dear, are you trying to play chess? Oh, you're playing chess. Chess! I don't think Penny knows how to play chess, does she? Penny, you're going out for a ride on your bike. Oh, but when you go out, you must make sure it doesn't get stolen if you want to go in the shop, mustn't you? So what do you need? You need your chain. You've got your bicycle chain, haven't you? Yeah, should we see how to write chain? So we've got chain. Penny, who have you found now? Oh, we have to be quiet because you found a baby, haven't you? You found one of your friends. Oh, it's baby chick. Give baby chick a kiss. Oh, come over here. Let's not wake baby chick up. Okay. Can we sound out chick? Chick. Chick. Oh, what are you doing, Penny? You got some banana. You like banana, don't you? Oh. And are you chopping it up? Yeah, you're going chop, 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 chop. Let's see, so we'll go chop, chop. Oh, what have you found now, Penny? It's a bench. Should we see how to write bench? Oh, we've got bench. Oh, Penny, you found something else. Oh, it's bright. You found a torch. Let's see how to write torch. They've got ch. That's got two digraphs, hasn't it? Okay, now see if you can write down these ch words.